As I am speaking to you now, and the date is 12 June 2020. Now, in less than 24 hours, Ghana, your coronavirus cases no, yenya 468 new cases. Listen to what I said well. In less than 24 hours, Ghana, your coronavirus cases, you added 468 new cases in less than 24 hours. Ebia na wu nim de ekoso, but ende Ghana coronavirus cases na ye woni na no 10,856. 10,856. The current active cases is 6,887. 6,887. But here for and there no say Ghana ni bia enim say and Ghana ni bia realize say the talk on coronavirus being dangerous akofom. Meanwhile yare no enko from ye afiansa yare no issue to akosro. But the talk senya na ye ni abre aban kasa nkrofo ye nyama wo krom ni nyama no ni na akofom. Endra City FM for a report. Coronavirus buy as at time the cases no ewo form Ghanaian shops. Ghanaian shops. Womo yo imagine say answer na be ra shop ni mu no e wasa wo she nose mask answer ye be marry ra shop mu no sisia most of those shops na kra no sa nose mask ade no e fi ho. And that who ko coronavirus case so kra na Ghana ni bi be bisa say na sa yare no egusu e wo Ghana ha na. That is what the Ghanaian will tell you. Sa yare no egusu ha ni ba kunu wo di bisa. Why? Because the noise on coronavirus no akofom. Now I am not even surprised. Majority leader Ndra said yen oba bonte beka say me mamoti as say MPs too are tested positive for coronavirus. Majority leader Babonte beka say MPs now wo mo tested positive for coronavirus kra no wo mo kra eguso eba parliament ho mutio MPs are wo mo tested positive for coronavirus. Majority leader will name MPs no o say MPs no parliament ho wo mo hiemu a MPs ni gusuba wo mo ntina fie yen quarantine wo mo ye. So even at the top we are seeing how they are dealing with the coronavirus haphazardly. Today we are not serious with it. Now so when the super na coronavirus no etching crofo just about last 3 days or the last 4 days or say then and Ghana you recorded your highest number of deaths on coronavirus in crofo 4 ewu ye. Ghana normally in crofo 1 na ya twen 1 but at a time in crofo 4 ewu ye. And I'm sorry na me mama catch me say em say no tie news bi e wo City FM say ya bobo countries bi din ya say wo mo nhwe coronavirus ni ye na access those countries no mo guard aba form and e bo Nigeria and e san so bo Ghana kan ho. And I make say emba from saying we are choosing politics over the lives of this country. Yakokan will say, hey, what the year politics. But is it not the truth? Is it not the truth? If we let Ghanaians believe, say, oh, ye bia sorry monko. We let Ghanaians believe, say, ye ba baby school, monko. We let Ghanaians believe, say, oh, ye be new voters registration. What message are you sending to the normal Ghanaian? I will let him know, say, oh, ye really can't share that you're serious, Sana Ghana ni believe it. Why? Because we've been allowed to do the things na yasimayenye and the more cases na kosro 10,856. We are not being serious with this coronavirus thing, and that is the truth. That is the truth and nothing but the truth. And it's quite interesting. I've heard from a teacher phobia frame and they were musro say wo mo de wan say meba bonten say ane ye ma student na ko school na student a ye mo ko school no ye nya omo test o Yeah, no coronavirus test. The president na eka and say and they yate from Flagstaff House and say students ni go school ni ye send your cases ni ya and no na ebe make yenya informed decision. And I say in Ghana ye. Look at the countries that allowed their students to go to school. They had a second spike in the coronavirus cases. So are we not learning from it? And you see, Nanka wouldn't even have a problem if these students and teachers are being tested. But what the education ministry is saying, and they say, oh, teachers care what Ghana has a woman dorsal. Test kits are a wohono, and also, sir, and my teachers know, yen to mean test woman, and I say, it's my students, final year students, what Ghana has say. I don't know their number, but they're roughly, Yanka say, final year students are what universities near. Any SHS near any JSS near no be 1 million. O the young fans are so population be 1 million. O the teachers for population be can one young fans say omo be 1.2. O the young fans say teachers final year or final year students both universities JHS and SHS. Young fans say omo any omo teachers near no omo population 1 million. O the young fans say omo population no say wo kan more than 1 million no. But o the young fans say their population is just 1 million. All these 1 million people are coming from individual homes. Today, we have close to 11,000 cases in the country. But all these 1 million people, they are not going to be tested. Why? Because you say test kits ain't enough. So all these 1 million people are not going to be tested. They are going to be allowed to interact. They are going to be allowed to go to the same classroom. And we are waiting until say a best spread it and sana you say oh school ne kran yan Samsung cancel no. Hey. Or we are hoping say out of this 1 million people no ebia there will not be even one case. That's what we are hoping now as a country. Out of this 1 million people ebia we will not even have one case. That's our hope now. Now me tin say be say na me wusu me say hey. And people know this thing. They are say just say why you come on this coronavirus thing because who can yes yeah politics. Who can yes yeah politics. What time will be? Me say, Embra me de asie dun ketia bo be ma no. Yes, ebia de okan no. Ya ka say asie dun ketia de wo kan enye ne nyama. Embra asie dun ketia ka say senya coronavirus we ekọ aban pese wo ye registration ni we ye nia ye ba bontin betwa asie dun ketia echi. But at long last, what are we seeing? What are we seeing? The voters register is still ongoing. Meanwhile, coronavirus cases are spiking in the country like something. But we are not minding. Yenfi, we are not minding. Greater Accra over 6,000, getting close to 7,000 cases. Ashanti region, close to 2,000 cases. Upper East region can name one. Upper East no more about 42 cases. Nansenya a shooter for 128. In fact, for Greater Accra and Ashanti, no, when you said these people they have hospital facilities via ABA to Miabwa. Now me say, majority leader mpo admit. Majority leader one po admit say in Crawford when tested positive or parliament or more parliamentarians, they are supposed to do the right things and we will follow. Even parliamentarians who have tested positive, they are still going to the parliament house. So what of the normal Ghanaian? Embra nanubi Kennedy Japan bufu ye say Ghana market woman be what tested positive and wojane ye still work in that market airton wade Kennedy Japan bufu ye no. Today is that not the same thing the majority leader is saying that some parliamentarians are doing? Is that not the same thing? Is that not the same? Ghana nekra wo wa yenka nekra wo ho yenka. The coronavirus is getting serious in this country. Ube say and you see that's one thing that is not helping this country. And it's the same thing more with Ghana dollar no. And Brana Mahama was no dollar near 4.3. You say Mahama managing ye and the MPP by $1 near 5.6. ekwa 5.7 5.8 kra baby kra beto am 5.9 ye bisa baumia ye wa kan say ane afi what the percentage and na ebeye statistics no say and the percentage you say inti aye say and I say oh this coronavirus thing is the same thing. The cases are rising. Now, so politicians no kasa obonsa washa that they have a percentage line. So, the active cases we have is this percentage, the recovery is this percentage, and so Ghana is doing well. Now, so what numbers the more obon say cases na cost through day in day out. We are recording a lot of cases every single day. But when you say what can they say you be who they play politics. Or they play. Ha, me ne wo ka say. Uko Kumasi Ashanti region, wo contact tracing, ye dey show wo monsa, wo mo strike. Wo mo contact tracing a doctor for an nurses for no mo ye contact tracing no, wo mo strike. Why? Because you see wo mo sika ye dey mo na ya teso. Muntio aban atisika ne so. Aban atisika ne so. Embra na ye na ye bodero, embra na ya no enhye dan course no say no, na aban prove say wo ye serious about it no. That time, wo mo contact tracing ye, obinya yare na bi obinya yare na, nipa ko no de kokan we ya nipa ko obetena se na wo trace say nipa we wo ko ha, yenko ha ne yenko fan crofo ne mbra nye test, yenko omo na from contact tracers. So, wo share the chain of this coronavirus thing, the contact tracers are very, very important. Yes, one allowance I had more no one so abaya tisika so, and so the contact tracers are going on strike. What was your more strike? Are we being serious about this coronavirus thing? Are we? Maybe so. Are we being serious? Even at time of coronavirus by okofa trotro. So time one seat say nipa ba ko pe na etena so. Iti e bia trotro betumi afa 50 yemfa ne say e bia trotro betumi afa 15 people na e fan crofo 5 pe. And that me ne woka say okofa trotro a ya forget say dia no e ma wo bia ye tai wo bia so. Yeah, party or more shame like everything is normal. People are not wearing face masks. Trotro like everything is normal. What can you say? Hey, coronavirus say because even the governments themselves are not showing to be serious about it. It's the ordinary Ghanaian and so when you're serious about it. Obi asem me plumber bi asem a work and they say any ba na ba adi ka you see a new register na adi na serious san ka you be my new register. You see the normal Ghanaian the mindset was say area no e serious na nka aban won ma ye nkoye new voters register nti say aban e ma ye new voters register no e tre say area no enhye da anya serious that is what the normal Ghanaian is thinking. Media maka this country we've chosen politics over the lives of the people. That's what I think. That is what I think. Because in Yamabia air cost on the crane. Enra Doma MC Doma said, one more meaning say Doma mo fanchame, one more hene, about Bonten Becasai say, I don't know for aya silencer. Yaria air costo, air chin crofon crofu. Now so you see ye BM among for your voters register. And then a Ghana for yen na yen kasa, yen inside ye now so yen kasa, or hene in the kasa, or hene carrier ya. And I yade hene no MPP for ebimo ede hene ni kosi radio so wo hene se mi omode o hene nim eye fom no nanso nanka ade a wo hene ne kana ye nyansa sempa o nanso politics inti wo de o hene nim ye fom poto no MPP no ko ye den utumi nya ne he because o man ya tim ne ye hu waka obeko free ye ntumi ye ne hwe wo ye ndisi ni na akoka ne ye be attack o. Everyone is quiet. Even the chiefs, House of Chiefs, I imagine say, "We will meet easy." Say new voters register. This is not the time. ECC massa, forget it. One try one your comment box ni mu Ghana. Share kai.